So hi everyone, मैं प्रखर गांधी हूँ. I work in EY in film crime. मेरे को थोड़ा एंड्रॉइड वगैरह का थोड़ा शौक है and I do whatever I can get to know. The challenges and all, I like it. So like that. हाँ. तो आज today I am here for the something unusual talk. Basic Android iOS सबको ही पता है. We all are quite inclined towards it and we all know about all these things, right? बट इस वाले का ना थोड़ा चैलेंजेस, हाउ आई आर्किटेक्टेड, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट यूज केसेस एंड ऑल. बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है व्हेन वी वर्क ऑन दिस थिंग एंड वेरी फ्यू पीपल वर्क ऑन द NFC इंटीग्रेशंस एंड ऑल. वेरी फ्यू. लाइक गूगल का टैप टू पे अपना कार्ड सेव करो. ओके, सो इट गेट्स डिफिकल्ट. थोड़ा चेंजिंग भी होता है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है. ओके, सो NFC के ड्रॉबैक्स भी बहुत है और क्या बोलते हैं, प्रोज भी बहुत है. तो आई वॉन्ट वन थिंग, आई वॉन्ट एवरी वंस फोन ऑन द टेबल. आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू कीप इट डाउन. प्लीज टेक इट आउट. आई वुड से थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग, लाइक टू बी इंटरेक्टिव. आई वॉन्ट एवरी वंस टेबल फोन्स ऑन द टेबल प्लीज. हाउ मैनी एंड्रॉइड पीपल इन द हाउस? हाउ मैनी iOS पीपल इन द हाउस? Okay, so I have Android and iOS both with me. So अब अच्छा Android वाले, that is an awesome thing. I can showcase it to you. So starting off with it, why architecting the edge? Like why NFC? Because it is most underutilized as protocol. फायदे, नेट चल रहा है नहीं चल रहा, no problem. It will work. So anyone volunteer, please wanna come out. I would be happy. कोई आगे आना चाहेगा? Anyone? Yeah, please come. मैं तो कह रहा हूँ सभी आ जाओ. आ जाओ. Awesome.
You want to watch?
Please.
Sir, दोनों हैं.
Please. That's awesome. So like you can see, आपका कौन सा फोन है सर? S23 FE. And yours?
Xiaomi 12 Pro.
Xiaomi 12 Pro. तो NFC by default on है कि off है?
मैं ऑफ रखता हूँ.
Off रखते हैं. Off रखते हैं. So now the crux here is कि iOS में on रहता है, बट एंड्रॉयड में हमें एक बोलना पड़ता है सर प्लीज़ ऑन करिए. ठीक है, अभी तो नेट चल रहा है नहीं चल रहा, डजंट मैटर्स, बट इट विल वर्क ऑफलाइन. सो कैन आई गेट एनीवन्स फोन? डिड वर्क? समथिंग कैन? या प्लीज टेक इट. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम इफ आई एम इन सेशन आई वांट टू से कैन आई गेट योर लिंक, तो मुझे पहले आपको बोलना पड़ेगा सर प्लीज़ NFC तो ऑन कर लो. Please turn on your NFC for once so that I can share it. Works offline, but again, identity verification. There's a pro, there is a con, and it's always a small iceberg, right? जैसे इनके फोन में चलेगा, अब अभी भी सर को ढूंढना पड़ रहा है NFC.
बहुत अंदर सेटिंग है, मिल गया.
Hey, I understand. That's okay.
But I guess by default it's all only ना for any phone I guess.
नहीं, iOS में होता है, but not in Android. Android में बोलना पड़ता है, please turn it on, please. So
By default वो
टूल्स है. अब चीटिंग कर रहे हो या आगे की स्लाइड नहीं जाना, चीटिंग नहीं कर रहे हो.
Direct. I think it will not scan directly.
इट विल, क्योंकि उसमें चला जहाँ इनका बैटरी होगा. ओके, यू हैव टू ओपन इट, राइट? सो नाउ देयर इट विल गेट यू ऑप्शन कि आप क्रोम में खोलना चाहते हो, कौन सा ब्राउजर में खोलना चाहते हो. डिफरेंसेस यू कैन सी. थैंक यू सो मच सर. So these people saw what it is. So why architecting the edge? Why NFC is the most underutilized protocol? No internet, no problem. It will anyways go. I don't require your internet. You don't need the Wi-Fi password. You don't need. It's like ultra low latency. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं ऐसे टैप हो गया, नहीं. I need two devices to collide. बहुत like in milliseconds या milli जो होता है ना, millicentimeters. इनका होगा तो ही वो चलेगा. वो भी कहाँ पे? On the battery side, wherever is the battery, it will work near that part only. Without it, it won't work, right? Basics. इतना सब कोई नहीं करता. Secure hardware, obviously, quietly secure. But idea for fin crime prevention. I work in fin crime, so my task comes in. Secure networking. अगर मैं आपको टैप कर रहा हूँ तो आपको ही दिखेगा. If I'm tapping to you, it will come to you only. No one else, right? Secure networking. And I'll know how many taps I got. कहाँ का मैंने टैप किया, किसने कौन सी लिंक खोली, who did what. So the end of that. Identity verification, you can see that RFID and NFC में difference, anyone knows?
NFC is a sub type of
RFID.
RFID.
करेक्ट RFID इज लाइक एंट्री एग्जिट के हम जो भी ऑफिस में करते हैं ना, दैट इज RFID. वो हम क्लोन नहीं कर सकते, वो हम हैक नहीं कर सकते. करेक्ट, ऑफिस का ID कार्ड वी कांट हैक इट, बट NFC वी कैन क्लोन इट, राइट? जैसे आपने डायरेक्टली वही खोल दिया, ऐप ही खोल दिया डायरेक्टली, राइट? दिस इज द केस. तो द हार्डवेयर लेसन नंबर 1, आई क्रिएटेड एन ऐप. I'll showcase to you the code भी है मेरे पास, सब कुछ है. How I made the small changes. I have the Android app and I'll be happy to share to you all. So the first hardware lesson was activity lifecycle. We know that 7 steps: on, start, on, close, activity, suspend, process वगैरह, so many things, right? So intent system है और foreground fetch करना पड़ेगा. Android का problem है कि वो सेशन बेस्ड होता है और ये तो यूजर सेशन पे चलता रहता है. iOS में तो it keeps on running, just need a tap, I'll work, awesome. So you can see in the Android system fires intent, app reacts, and then it uses NFC adapter. NFC adapter से it will know कि you have to read it, you have to move it, right, kind of thing. But for this compose uses, state change हो जाएगा, recomposition हो सकता है. If I'm like it can start failing, right? एक बार, दो बार, तीन बार tap करो, it might not come up, but it can come up. We never know. It's like that. So we will face lost intents, duplicates data, memory leak. हल्का सा memory leak को we all know what happens. I can get anyone's ID and just imagine NFC के through if I'm making a payment and even a 1% of data goes out. Awesome. It's awesome, right? Let's start the cyber security here now. So this is the case. So NFC uses activity lifecycle, intent system foreground और compose का वही था, तो duplicates और वही again. Correct way in compose is the disposable effect. You can see मैं इसको थोड़ा कोड दिख रहा है कि थोड़ा zoom करूँ. Will it work? एक छोटा सा कोड स्निपेट दिया मैंने, बहुत छोटा सा है. So the architecture is activity will go, activity will handle the intent, then the view model will handle the NFC tag. It will process the tag. अब ये जो मैंने चीज़ें रखी है, इसके अंदर एक NFC tag embedded है. So when it gets touched, तो वो अब view model tag करेगा, compose क्या करेगा, वो state observe करेगा. Should I notification bar? Okay. Click किया. Where I am supposed to go? मेरे को तो खाली लिंक करना है. That is the only constraint. I can write anything it like that. So I have used this disposable effect here. You can छोटा सा कोड है जो हैंडल करता है किसको क्या काम करना है, कैसे करना है, kind of thing. Hardware lesson number 2, KMP interoperability reality. Again, as I said, Android is system driven, iOS is NFC model. अब कोड करना है, if I'm using Compose, Compose का बेस्ट केस क्या होता है कि I can create for both, right? iOS, Android दोनों के लिए कर सकता हूँ. बट अब दोनों का तो अलग ही आर्किटेक्चर चल रहा है. NFC बोलता है मैं अलग चलूँगा, 3 अलग अलग दिशाएं में, हम नीचे पान की दुकान, ऊपर काइंड ऑफ थिंग. ओके, सो नाउ एक जगह पैसिव डिटेक्शन है तो iOS ने अपना बोल दिया कि मैं तो यूजर ट्रिगर सेशंस पे चलूँगा, दूसरा बोलता है मैं इंटेंट पे चलूँगा. दोनों अलग, NFC अपना अलग, 3 अलग अलग दिशाओं में 3 अलग अलग लोग. वी ऑल आर स्टक व्हाट टू डू, हाउ टू मेक इट कम इनटू वन सिंगल वुड. दैट इज अ टास्क. क्योंकि उसके बाद आपको जब टेस्ट भी करना होता है तो इट टेक्स अ लॉट अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम टू टेस्ट इट वेदर इट्स वर्किंग फाइन. अब iOS में फटाक से डिटेक्ट होता है, कभी कभी नहीं भी होता है. सो like that thing. Architectural problem again, you would thinking about architect कर रहा है, why this problem? Because I faced it. It took me 2 months. तब इतना AI का वो बोल चलन भी नहीं था. So I was working, I was studying. क्योंकि no one's touching these edge use cases, right? NFC be like we know, but no one's gonna try to create an application which will work on this aspect. No one wants to hit that reality. If no one wants to go there, I'll go there. If I go before you, I'm the first, right? I'm smartest. So खेलने में मस्ती. So KMP abstraction कैसा दिखेगा? It is here. iOS का sessions कैसे होंगे? Session invalidation, session delegate detention, callbacks, timeout blanking. ये iOS में बहुत होता है. Like if I have my iOS device, this is my iOS 16. So if I just tap it on anyone's phone or anything like that, device है, card है, so it can happen. But ये फटाक से हो जाएगा. मैं भी अपनी जो you can see this band in my hand, ये भी NFC है. So if I just tap, my phone will read it quickly in a go. Awesome. So how should the KMP do it? It should not just give a simple scan. Scan तो Android पे भी work करेगा, it will work on iOS also, but doesn't make any sense, right? It will start failing, and the more types of feature you try to add into it, it will start breaking more into a better modules of problems and not a solution. So designing a unified KMP NFC API is like the mistake is that we assume both products behave the same, but I assume कि आपको सबको समझ आ गया. You all know how it will actually work, right? What is the difference between iOS and Android? Am I going too fast or too slow? Please, it's okay, right? Able to understand? ये थोड़ा डिजाइन मैंने जेमिनी से कर लिया. So that is the case. Now again, the mistake is ignore session life cycles. I'm not putting much stress points at there because now you understand what is going in iOS, what is going in Android at the moment. So differences. But the correct extraction would be the code. Interface NFC controller. एक state को मैं maintain करना है. State का flow क्या NFC state, begin session and the end session. तो उस एक particular block में ही पूरा कार्यक्रम खत्म. Everything works fine, right? So this is the case. Now comes the interesting part. That 1% data, if it leaves out of the system, what happens? Security in FinCrime. Life cycle again. Everything revolves around NFC is in the architecture, Android, iOS, and then this FinCrime. 1% gaya, I am enjoying the thing. So this tag can be cloned by anyone. If I have something, I put my credit card details. Okay, credit card में भी NFC होता है, right? We tap it. But why it's secure? Anyone knows it?
They don't rely on that identity. They have their own logic.
Correct.
It's just like a QR, like they just treat like how we treat QR code input.
Correct. So like that is why, because उधर next चीज में आएगा. Here you can see right architecture. You can see what is happening. Payload JSON. So there they use this AES का encryption and then use this NONC only once. तो जो AES का encryption होगा number of chances once, तो आपका क्रेडिट कार्ड यूनिक होता है. इट वुडंट बी द केस कि आपका क्रेडिट कार्ड और आपका क्रेडिट कार्ड सेम होगा. आई कांट गेट इट, राइट? मैं टैप करूँगा तो भी मेरा फोन तो क्रेडिट कार्ड डिटेल्स रीड नहीं कर सकता. कर सकता है? एनी एंड्रॉइड ऐप कैन रीड इफ आई टैप ऑन द क्रेडिट कार्ड डिटेल्स? नो, राइट? एनी एंड्रॉइड और iOS एनीथिंग कैन रीड इट? नहीं. करेक्ट. बिकॉज दे हैव एनक्रिप्टेड इट. तुमने जो NDF का सेशन है, जो डिटेल्स है, वो CVV नंबर, उन डिटेल्स, उन सबको एनक्रिप्ट किया. कैसे एनक्रिप्ट किया है? पहले तो हैशिंग कर दी उसको ताकि किसको दिखे ना. अगर डिक्रिप्ट हो भी जाए तो हैश आउट होना चाहिए. तो यू हैव टू पुट अप अ की इनसाइड. जब वो की होगी तो ही वो पूरा एक्चुअल वैल्यूज देगा. व्हाट इज योर अकाउंट नंबर, व्हाट इज CVV, व्हाट इज द पिन. सो 3 डिफरेंट केसेस वर्क्स हियर. एंड अगेन दिस इज द राइट एंड रीड एनक्रिप्शन का प्रोटोकॉल. You can understand. So these cards which I have with me right now, these bands, no encryption, open to anyone. मैं अभी आपको दूंगा, you can even write it in front of me. फिर ये कार्ड की क्या वैल्यू है? Correct. It's an empty tag. Anyways, 20 रुपए का बाहर मिल जाएगा. Doesn't matter. So what is the difference between this credit card and this NFC वाला कार्ड? पूरा एक चीज पे आके रुकता है, security, FinCrime and AES encryption. So due to these things हमारा सब कुछ काम होता है. Now अब NFC में कहीं भी इंटीग्रेट कर सकता हूँ. मैं मेरे बैंड में कर सकता हूँ, एक कार्ड में कर सकता हूँ, एक स्टिकर में कर सकता हूँ. You know, you might have seen those reels, वो keychain वाला टैप करो and you can share the details. That is good till a certain extent. Networking event है. I'm not getting a credit card details, right? अगर तुम मुझे आपके क्रेडिट कार्ड डिटेल्स मिलने लगे तो मैं ऐप लेके सब क्रेडिट कार्ड डिटेल्स लेके आओ ही ना यहाँ पे. वापस ही ना आओ. तुम कौन मैं कौन काइंड ऑफ थिंग. So yeah, obviously. But yeah, so we need to break these things. We need to put up into the system. अब वो जो भी बिलाल ने बताया AI वे लगा के what would be the notorious thing you could do? This would I do. I would try to read credit card details. So that I get blacklisted. Just kidding. So like these are the edge cases. क्योंकि जब कोई है नहीं edge case है. If I read credit card, that is awesome. If I read debit card, that is also awesome. Normal to anything. So basically, how to encrypt the NDF here is what I have kept into the picture. एक पेलोड रखेगा जिसमें आपका डेटा है, JSON फ्लो. इसमें कुछ है नहीं, नो कंटेक्स्ट, नो नथिंग. तो कुछ सेव भी नहीं होगा. It gets read out. तो Firebase अगर मैंने इंटीग्रेट कर दिया तो मे बी कहीं से कुछ जाके लॉजिक वॉजिक बिल्ड करके I might save it. But if I can't, no use, right? So like that. JSON से गया एनक्रिप्ट हुआ AES के थ्रू. एनक्रिप्टेड पेलोड को मैंने NONC कर दिया so that it gets again hashed. No one can read it. टाइम स्टैम्प लगा दिया at this time. UTC टाइमलाइन जो होता है इनका 2023 फिर वो T and then time and seconds and hours and all that thing. एंड देन एक सिग्नेचर, वेरीफाइड सिग्नेचर. सो यू कैन सी इसमें 3 layers ऑफ सिक्योरिटी लगती है व्हेन वी गो फॉर द क्रेडिट और डेबिट कार्ड्स. बट नॉर्मल कार्ड्स नो सिक्योरिटी, जस्ट इंजॉय. इट कैन बी जेल ब्रेक, इट कुड बी रीसेट एनीवेज. सो इट गेट्स राइट एंड द टाइप पे जाता है. रीड आर्किटेक्चर भी ऐसे वैलिडेटेड डेटा. दैट इज वाई कि वो पीओएस मशीन पे टैप कर लेता है वो, क्योंकि उसे पता है कि उसे किस किस मशीन्स पे, ये जो भी हमारा मर्चेंट है, ये वेंडर है, इसका जो वो होता है डिटेलिंग्स, इसको ओके दे देना है. बाकी कोई फ़ोन आएगा उसको ओके नहीं देना, क्योंकि उसके अंदर वो चिप नहीं है NFC की जो रीड करेगी एक्चुअली. सो दैट थिंग व्हाट आई लर्न द हार्ड वे, edge device and the backend system, 2 different things, business logic, authentications, layerings and all. And secure tunnel is the encrypted communication in between these 2 aspects. Lifecycle mismatch cause hidden bugs. Compose requires explicit lifecycle thinking. Okay, fail to fail out, simple. And KMP forces you to understand platform philosophy, or high quality platform philosophy. And NFC without encryption is insecure. No use. No use means no use. मैं टैप कर लूँगा, मेरी नेटवर्किंग हो जाएगी, लिंकिन बढ़ जाएगा, मेरे फॉलोअर्स वगैरह सब. दैट वुड बी एन ऑसम थिंग, बट नो यूज, राइट? द स्मॉल नेटवर्किंग एस्पेक्ट नॉट. सो आर्किटेक्टिंग एज सिस्टम इज लाइक अ बैकएंड सिस्टम. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, क्योंकि ये एक्सटर्नल टच नहीं कर पाता ज़्यादा. एंड यू कैन सी कितने मोबाइल एप्लीकेशंस होते हैं बैंक्स के, आई वुड से पर्टिकुलरली, विच हैव NFC इंटीग्रेटेड. Any bank, HDFC, Axis, SBI, ICICI में है? क्रेडिट कार्ड के लिए नहीं, जस्ट यू जैसे आप जीपे से कर सकते हो टैप टू पे. सैमसंग में होता है ना टैप टू पे.
I think ICICI has tap to pay शायद से.
क्रेडिट पे तो है ना टैप टू पे, क्रेडिट पे है टैप टू पे. सो नाउ क्रेडिट इज बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट? उसका भी जेटपैक कंपोज का KMP का ही चल रहा है. तो वहाँ जो बैठा है बंदा, उसने भी बहुत अच्छा बढ़िया दिमाग दौड़ाया होगा कि क्या करना है, कैसे इसको ब्रेकआउट करना है. तो जस्ट सिंपल थिंग्स, सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड वाई बैंक्स आर क्वाइट थिंकिंग इसमें, क्योंकि हम ज़्यादा रिस्क नहीं कर सकते इन चीज़ों को. टैप टू पे आप ICICI को चलोगे, देयर इज अ हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी आपका डेटा निकल जाए. इट इज़ अ हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी. इसलिए यू नो द मेजर बैंक्स डोंट ट्राई टू हिट दिस HK सिस्टम्स. दे वांट टू बी लाइक यहाँ तुम नॉर्मल रखो, दैट इज ओके. फिर भले तुम थर्ड पार्टी ऐप यूज़ करके जाओ, तो वो हेडेक बैंक के ऊपर नहीं आता कि मुझे ये भी मेंटेन करना है. हेडेक चला जाएगा थर्ड पार्टी ऐप पे, गूगल पे पे. अगर टैप किया चलेगा तो गूगल पे बोलेगा अच्छा हमारी गलती हो गई, लाइक दैट. सो दिस इज द थिंग. सो दिस इज द नॉर्मल कोड. एंड्रॉयड के लिए, iOS के लिए फिर थोड़ा और टाइम लगेगा. Sounds good. Better? Last number you can see, right? Okay, so check NFC status on app launch. एक फंक्शन बना दिया मैंने जो पहले स्टेटस देखेगा कि ऐप सही में है कि नहीं. अब एज केसेस, इफ मैं टचिंग द ऐप, तो अगर जिसके फ़ोन में NFC नहीं है तो क्या आपको करना चाहिए? नॉट सपोर्टेड, राइट? तो वो मैंने एक एज केस दे दिया इधर इसके अंदर. थीम भी मेन स्क्रीन के अंदर बटन NFC स्टेटस पे देखिए. फर्स्ट अलर्ट, यू कैन सी इफ NFC इज नॉट देयर, NFC नॉट सपोर्टेड आपके पास. सेकेंड, इफ NFC इज डिसेबल्ड, व्हाट शुड बी द पॉपअप कमिंग? वो टोस्ट मैसेज छोटा सा, प्लीज टर्न ऑन NFC.
Turn on the image.
If NFC is there, welcome to product. So 3 different cases, 3 different ideology how I'm supposed to make sure it goes to the user. जितना अच्छा होता है बढ़िया user retention. Alert dialog, what is the cases and all. On resume, हर सेकंड में मुझे चेक NFC स्टेटस करना है. तो जैसे ही NFC ऑन हुआ, ऐप लॉन्च हुआ, NFC स्टेटस उसको बार बार हिट करके देखना पड़ेगा कि ऐसा तो नहीं आप ऑन करो 1 सेकंड का फिर क्लोज कर दो. Doesn't work, right? तो it has to keep on checking कि वो पूरा उस एक लूप के अंदर उस लाइफ साइकिल में रहे, काइंड ऑफ थिंग. सो बस थोड़ा लॉजिक है, क्या बोलते हैं, प्रोटोटाइप ऐप का डिटेलिंग्स है. यू कैन डाउनलोड द ऐप फ्रॉम द प्ले स्टोर, इट इज़ अवेलेबल प्ले स्टोर. तो देयर यू विल हैव अ गुड आइडियोलॉजी. जस्ट सर्च प्रोटोटाइप क्लब ऑन द गूगल प्ले एंड यू विल हैव द डिफरेंट UI, हाउ इट्स गोना वर्क. रीसेट टाइप पे भी अगेन UTC लगेगा. If you go for reset, it will say, are you sure to reset it? So, बस normal app, how we am gonna reset the app and all that stuff. Thoda remember the state, what is the case, what is the card, what are the current details, how you gonna read it. All these different things are present in the application. So this works like that. Let me show if I can show the app also. नहीं आएगी, नहीं चलेगा, स्क्रीन शेयरिंग होना तो चाहिए.
Somewhere at a type C.
मंगेश you can see the app right, so you can see the small pop-up which came, NFC on the welcome to ProTap app. You can see the UI, read पे क्या है, scan an NFC tag to see the details. If I can just tap on it, so it will work. Payload है. Okay. You can see the detail which is written in this app, so it can directly read it. If I want, I can write any other URL if I just want. I'll go back, I do a write text, hello, hi, whatever messages I want to share to anyone. Contact details पे I can directly drop it into this thing, and we have the social media option. This is for the like NFC tools में आपने देखा होगा. I can directly just put the link in, first link वो उठाएगा and then you can just tap. तो YouTube डाल सकते हो, जिसे मैं simplified coding नहीं बोलता. मैं recently कर दूँगा. So you can see I just tap. It should target data. You can write. I just have to keep it on tap. Check NFC status. Here was the use case of that function. अब मैंने हटा दिया. अब मैं write करूँगा तो you can see there's an error popping up. Error write social media. Permission मांग रहा है. I do. Now I do. You can check. It's saying that's working. To check NFC status, that small function, why it's required. You have to keep this tag tapped here, तो ये उसको read करे. And now I go to anyone's phone, I just tap on anyone's device, it will work. I can just show to you. Subscribe to Simplified Coding.
So does this open like a deep link?
It's embedded.
So what URL you are opening?
Anything I can open. I am opening Simplified Coding. I can open GT's LinkedIn.
Nice.
Anyone's name. I just need to write on the go.
But the question is, if you tap to any other's phone, it will open YouTube.
Yeah, it will open.
Try that. No permission, nothing.
Go to the ones. NFC on होना चाहिए.
Nice. Good job.
So if you want, I can even.
You can give me this.
You can take it. I'll give you better.
But your name is written, so.
So do you
see the
get,
magic?
so do you get this NDF card or anything that you're saying like as a separate hardware you need to get it like this card and then you need to program it, right? That's what you're
So
Yes.
you are writing some data in the NLC, right?
Correct, correct.
So, through that you code. So you are creating some URL
Mm-hmm.
and writing it to NFC,
Correct.
and you are using deep link to open it.
Yes. Normal redirect होता है. Simple. Like that. Call to action. Clap will clap. Clap for एक बार फिर celebrate clap. Okay, so you can even add a FaceTime number, emergency contact, location on the go. If you are stuck in any issue, just tap and anyone will get the emergency phone number. So during any miserable thing or anything, you don't need to worry like that. And I can even reset the tag if I want to. You can see this was the tag which had simplified coding. It will first ask, please confirm you want to reset the tag. I understand.
But this app is required, right? Program.
No, that
Any
is
other-
just to write the thing.
Okay, alright.
To read it, I don't think we need it, right?
No,
Can
we
it?
don't.
Your phone.
My
It will
phone
work.
read it without that.
And now it will say tag has been reset. Now if I tap in on anyone, this is an empty tag which can be programmed to put anyone's ID, Mangesh ID, GT ID, Rajesh ID, anyone ID, I can write it on the go.
Do you
Okay.
actually? Go ahead.
Unrelated questions.
So I wanted to know do you need just this app to write it? Because on Play Store there are a lot of
Correct.
NFC writers, so you can use that also.
Yes, you can write it. You
And
can
what
code
is
it.
the scope of writing? What exactly or what is the bound in what I can write? क्या मैं इस पे data लिख सकता हूँ?
What is the thing which we cannot write?
What is the thing which we cannot write?
Okay. There is one is this memory limit. इनकी limit होती है ना 1 KB की होती है. Hardly 1 KB.
Okay.
So you should write.
So whatever you write, it should be less than 1 KB. More than 1 KB, it will not take it.
Okay.
स्मॉल थिंग है. आपका आईडी कार्ड भी होता है, RFID होता है, so वो भी 1 KB से कम डिटेल्स ही लेके फॉरवर्ड करता है. One thing. Second thing, what we can't write, क्रेडिट कार्ड डिटेल्स. आप नहीं, if you want to बहुत दिलदार वो एक्सपायर हो रहा है तो लिख दो. I don't mind. I am happy.
We should not.
Which you should not, but you can. And the scope, what we can do, I can do one thing. I just tap this card. I can program it in such a way over the go in 2 minutes. कि if I just tap it on anyone's phone, आपके फ़ोन से मेरे को फ़ोन आ जाएगा. यहाँ तक कि I can do one thing, आपके फ़ोन में अलार्म सेट हो जाएगा सुबह 6 बजे का, और 6 बजे अगर आप नहीं उठे तो वो फ़ोन मुझे आएगा.
What?
So, you don't require alarm permission also?
हाँ जी.
Alarm permission भी नहीं लगेगा और phone
वो
पर
छोड़ो, can you send OTP ये बताओ.
Nice question. No, I can't. System is big. System big.
So
You cannot read as well.
this guy had a valid question. You would need an app would need permission to do that, right? So without the permission you can call.
With permission you need NFC जैसे on करना पड़ता है मुझे,
हाँ.
तो ही app will start reading.
हाँ.
Okay. Now to make
I
a
think-
call, it will ask you once.
हाँ, exactly.
At once it will ask you.
You can trigger the assistant that will prompt to set alarm, and assistant don't request permission. I think there is.
There is always a way of it. If I don't want you to do it manually, I can say you just prompt.
So also one more question. I tried this weird experiment. First day when I was at office, we have this tap wala access. Okay? So what I did is I tried to clone this,
Uh-huh.
but I found it very difficult. I think you mentioned something about the security aspect,
Correct.
right? So the idea was that it's very cumbersome to carry the physical card. I keep forgetting it. So what if we could have it in the phone? It wasn't possible. So I'm not sure what went wrong.
You just need to break that AES encryption. You need to get the key. Office का system में key होगा. If you get the key, you can clone it in your phone or even in the bank.
So is it possible that I saw one of the apps which was an NFC Emulator Pro or something which was 600-700 bucks. It used to use root and it used to copy all of the details.
Correct.
I'm not sure if even then will I need the key or I just need root access to do it.
You will
What
need
is
the root access. Key आपको anyways लगेगी. Key जो होती है वो system में secured है. Your phone will keep that key secured with itself only. You can't.
अच्छा.
So you need the key. You can do it with 500 rupees app also. You can do with the free app also.
अच्छा.
You just need the key.
So ये root access exactly कर क्या है वो app में? Why do I need root to kind of copy it?
Permissions नहीं चाहिए.
अच्छा. तो system के DB को modify करता है
Correct.
क्या?
Then I won't be requesting you to give me permission to link the
And
call.
how do apps like Google Pay do it? Without even needing root?
They already have the system permission.
You gave the permission. Face ID okay.
Special option.
Payment है. Allow.
वो privileged users के साथ काम करते हैं।
That's privileged apps.
अच्छा.
They actually ask you, are you sure RBI guidelines के हिसाब से आप सेव करना चाहते हो? आप चाहते हो कि रहे? You say yes, then so okay, I'll start the NFC.
So root is going to bypass that.
Correct. Break the whole system. So like.
And if there is any link, for example, we open simplified coding right now. So if there is any link which is invalid, what?
The link won't open. Whatever you write. Up to you.
Can you provide any encryption
So,
for whenever
my
the
question
tab-
was,
the tab has the information for the URL.
Correct.
You directly give it to the URL to the client, right?
Uh-huh.
There is any encryption made into that tab?
नहीं नॉर्मल लिंक की बात
Because what
कर
happens if you want to encrypt that information, can you do
You
that?
can do it. of
You can
course.
do it if you want to. You can do it.
The maximum limit is 1 KB. Okay. You can put anything.
For example, if we have a company, we have a shares, we have cards.
Hmm.
Okay, we don't want to share that idea or those things. If you want to provide encryption in there,
Yes,
then
you
again
can.
you can server, you can decrypt that and get that shares.
Yes, you can.
Okay, so my phone uses Samsung Pay. Okay, it uses NFC.
हाँ.
So can I mimic or emulate that card? मतलब वो कार्ड यूज करके मेरे फोन में डायरेक्टली हो सकता है.
फोन में मतलब क्या आप उसको सेव कर जाते हैं फोन के अंदर.
Like if I tap this phone to Gaurav,
हाँ.
you are
Can I transfer the details or something?
तो आपने यू हैव टू पुट इट एज अ थर्ड पार्टी एनएफसी. सैमसंग इसके अंदर उसके चिप के अंदर इट हैज 4 लेयर्स. नाउ दिस गोस फॉर दिस हार्डवेयर का चला जाएगा. 4 अलग-अलग लेयर्स जैसे वो फ्लॉपी डिस्क में था ना पहले. 4 लेयर्स में था. ये 2 लेयर पे तो सैमसंग अपना लेके बैठा हुआ है. 2 लेयर वो फ्री छोड़ के बैठा.
And where do you get this?
बाय फ्रॉम मी.
Huh?
Buy from me. Yeah,
So this is basically just an NDEF card that you
Correct.
program, right? So you can get the NDEF card anywhere.
Yeah, if you don't want, you just buy बाहर से भी ले लो 20 रुपए का. मैंने सिस्टम है सबसे
Nice.
So like that. So different use cases, different things. You can.
So I think. Go ahead.
These cards can hold at least one type of data only. If we have deep link plus text, any like your
It can.
card data, it can hold both.
It can hold both. We just need to program it accordingly. It should have name or text. But basically, I try कि वो link ही रहे. तो जो link और वो रहेगा, तो first it will open a notepad.
Correct.
ठीक है. Empty जो कोई ऐप होगा जो read कर पाए text, तो it will say okay, I have these 2 details. That won't do any magic. Name and then the link. That breaks. That's why I do one thing. I put the link on. Link के ऊपर I start writing. Like an Instagram. Instagram ने URL दे दिया. You start writing on top of it. So like that.
So basically, Apple has a lot of stuff with tap to pay. Like अगर आप 2 iPhones को tap करोगे तो contact
Apple
share.
Share.
Is this also based on NFC?
Yes, yes.
तो मतलब this Apple का proprietary NFC writing है.
Correct. NFC was back then since 2008, but no one used it till now. Its use cases are quite less, right? तो वो
Still,
automation.
it's not available in all the devices.
Yeah, in Android. iOS पे है but Android.
It is not available on
iOS
the
is already a free
हाँ.
one.
हाँ मतलब
Vivo, Oppo के phones में नहीं है.
Some OnePlus phones are there.
है.
Basically, flagship devices में होता ही है. Some flagship में नहीं भी.
So there are the 2 types of tags. Like this is a rewritable URL.
Correct, correct.
If I have only readable text,
नहीं, there are no
you cannot
readable.
modify that one, right?
You
For example, we have a NFC tag 2 types.
हाँ.
You can write, erase, write, erase. Okay. You have one of the tags that only have
Readable.
readable. For
अगर
example.
ऐसे manually programmed है, you can't break it.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
In that case, what can we write that data into that?
We have to bypass the security route.
I think same use case. आपका office का जो tag है,
हाँ.
that is a readable card technically. हाँ.
वो भी से वो उसके ऑफिस की मशीन ही रीड कर पाती है ना उसको.
Oh, okay, okay.
क्योंकि कनेक्टेड है. हाँ.
So इसका ऐसा ब्रॉडकास्ट वगैरह होता है सिस्टम को like the NFC when we connect at that time any broadcast happen in system.
Yes. Yeah, NFC has started.
Quick question. Does Samsung support like if we have 4 smartphones, can we share that data using
नहीं नहीं एंड्रॉइड में वो आई नहीं टेक्नोलॉजी. वो एप्पल में ही है. एंड्रॉइड में वो नहीं होता है.
प्रोग्राम रिसीव कर सकता है ना.
Yes.
The app which you showed, is it only Android app or is it multi-platform app?
It is a multi-platform app, but iOS का मेरे पास क्या डेवलपर अकाउंट है नहीं.
So the question was, the code like which you have,
$99.
the code which you have written to write on the NFC tag, like is it shared between Android and iOS or have you written the
Android iOS दोनों. Between both of them.
Yeah, but again, he mentioned that Android and iOS.
NFC architectures are different.
Architectures are different.
Yeah.
And that layer like दोनों के बीच को लेके आना and then created that.
Okay.
So like that. Minor tweaks लगेंगे iOS में, very minor. But the logic, backend logic and everything remains the same.
I think you'll also have some KMP library to do that. So I don't think आपको
Yes, so
custom code
that was my next question. So have you used any such library in your app or is it available from?
फिलहाल तो कुछ नहीं यूज़ किया मैंने. Normally Kotlin की थोड़ी बहुत यूज़ करी. थोड़ा कर्सर को बोला हेल्प कर दो. तो उसने किया एंड आई मेड श्योर कि जब मैं इसको iOS पे ले जाऊँ, मैंने एक्सपोर्ट पे ट्राई भी किया उसको, बट वो डेवलपर अकाउंट मांगता है एप्पल का, तो इतना दिमाग है नहीं तो जुगाड़ करके उसके बाद करूँगा मैं.
Another question, do you have a repository for this?
I have the app available. Okay. Repository, yes I do. I'll share it soon.
We'll give you the slides तब देखो.
ये repository में एक नहीं, उसमें 4 अलग-अलग applications हैं.
नहीं, बस code reference देखना है, अच्छा है.
Yeah, for the Android app you can get it. But उसमें क्या, उसमें there are for school-based authentication system. There is for gym-based authentication, office-based. So you know, so many use cases and how we can use it. वो normal ID card होते हैं ना स्कूल के. Again वही, we don't need high-fi things. Now office वाला तो अपना encryption दे रहा है. Now if I say I give you the encryption and I do the honors, then simple. So like that, there are 4 different things. Repository है. मैं सिर्फ Android का open करके रखूँगा. बाकी close करूँगा. So like that. Any other questions? Feel free to it. Yeah.
I think they are bringing in a lot of tap to pay in India. Like let's say Starbucks हो गया या ये हो गया, मतलब they want to promote tap to pay India में. I think it's a pretty good norm outside of India, Germany वगैरह. People tap their watch and
वो
everything.
वॉच है, फिर वो रिंग है, स्मार्ट रिंग है.
So they are trying to create the ecosystem in India. PVR, Starbucks वो लोग
Yes.
offers देते हैं like tap करने.
सो ये 10-20 रुपए का कार्ड है, कहाँ से परचेस करना है?
आप
तेरे से नहीं, मतलब कहीं और से.
जिंदा you can
नॉट
purchase-
ओनली कार्ड कि क्या क्या मार्केट में अवेलेबल है अभी
There are
NFC रिगार्डिंग.
lot of things available. आधे तो मैं लेके
Like?
घूम रहा हूँ. आधे तो मैं लेके घूम रहा हूँ. You can have the card, band, metallic card. You can have that smart ring, जिसमें मोमन गुप्ता ने इन्वेस्ट किया था. But again, that is quite hefty. That won't be required. You just tap and it will go. So that is quite hefty. इतनी छोटी सी डिवाइस के अंदर और 10 चीज़ें डाली. So you have to pay for those subscription. So think about the best use case you can come to your mind.
यूजुअली क्या रेंज रहता है इन सब का? मतलब कार्ड तो 10-20 रुपये हो गया, राइट? बैंड कितने तक का आ जाता है?
Again, you can go to and India Mart पे जाओगे तो bulk order,
बल्क ऑर्डर ही लेना
less
पड़ेगा, right?
space, yeah. And if not required, then you can go Amazon. कहीं कोई मिल जाए 5 bands or 10 bands kind of thing. So you can use it. तो you can use for your own purpose. Automate कर सकते हो.
एंड इसके POS कार्ड कितने से स्टार्ट होते हैं अगर POS भी मार्केट में है अवेलेबल
वो मशीन
रीड करने के लिए, राइट?
वो तो 500 रुपये से भी चालू होती है.
हो जाते हैं, right?
Yes, yes. You can. अब फिलहाल तो फ्रॉड का ज़माना चल रहा है. कौन ही NFC में आता है. But if you want to, you can do and have good time. Simple. Yes, sir. You had a question.
So we have airdrop in iOS. So the data transfer is happening via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. It's okay, but that animation, is it also the NFC when we touch the iPhone? So that animation comes, that bubble animation.
That bubble animation.
Yeah.
It's NFC है ना एकदम से small दो
Because
device
it
NFC
happens
से
when we
collide
touch
करते
the
हैं.
two phones.
Correct.
Otherwise it is not.
That's like near field communication ना NFC. So it's near field. We are bringing to the उनका field बैठा हुआ एक animation कर दिया उसने.
So it is also.
Yes, yes. AirDrop में जा सकता है वो. Like that. That's why it's ना Wi-Fi पे on करो, आपका Bluetooth पे on करो और
That is
iOS
for
में
data transferring. like
Correct,
Wi-Fi.
correct, correct.
And that animation is like using NFC and stuff.
Yes. मैं चाहूँ तो मेरे ऐप को इसको भी मैं कर सकता हूँ कि if I tap on iOS phone तो थोड़ा सा animation types होना चाहिए. So like that.
Thanks.
Yeah, last question. Why you chosen NFC? Why not chosen RFID?
Why choose NFC? Why not RFID? Sir, सिर्फ वो scan थोड़ा ना करना, थोड़ा cool लगना चाहिए ना. If I want to share my details, RFID क्या है? मेरा ऑफिस का सिस्टम नहीं अलाउ करेगा मेरे को शेयर करने को आपके साथ. मैं अगर ID कार्ड अपना आपको शेयर करूँ तो नाम और ऑफिस ID दिखेगा. I can't share my links, my LinkedIn, my YouTube or anything. और रीराइटेबल भी क्या होते हैं मोस्टली RFIDs?
कस्टमाइजेबल नहीं.
Customizable नहीं. एक बार जब लिख दिया फिर you have to get that machine, you have to correct and all that thing. Okay. So NFC is क्या on the go I can do it. In a minute I can change, I can put simplified coding, I can put GT,
You can
LinkedIn,
erase it.
anything on the go. So like that. So yeah, this was from mine. Any other questions?
What do you think are the practical like large scale usages other than credit card tap to pay? मतलब इस टेक का क्या यूसेज है? मतलब like what do you think can be a usage other than tap to pay?
Well, it depends on your use case to use case. I can't say just कि मतलब मेरे दिमाग में जितने use case है मैं उतना ही बता सकता हूँ. I can go till that extent. Tap to pay is an option, is a subsidiary. मुझे तो बस अपना कुछ शेयर वेयर करना है डिटेल्स, इट्स बेसिकली शेयर डिटेल्स.
इसमें क्या है, मतलब एक शुगर फैक्ट्री है,
हाँ.
इसमें फार्मर को शुगर प्रोवाइड करते हैं.
करेक्ट.
जो उनका फार्मर आईडी टैप करता है ना, हमने RFID यूज किया है फॉर आईडी पर्पस.
Correct.
राइट नाउ वी कैन यूज NFC, so can get all information
More.
like a farmer name, where from the village, like all this information we can add it to the NFC
Yeah.
instead of the RFID.
Correct. Instead, a RFID can't do the location tracking.
Yes, yes, yes.
Correct. But the NFC app can do
Yeah,
it.
we can modify that.
Yes, we can modify it. तो if I say कि इस एरिया में जितने लोग हैं, उनका जियो ट्रैकिंग ऑन होना चाहिए. If I give everyone a tag of NFC and the moment they go out, system उसे monitor करेगा. It will drop an alert.
So मतलब they'll have to tap, right? मतलब without tapping तो
Once I have to tap so that system reads the value.
Okay.
ये कार्ड एक्टिवेटेड है.
Okay.
और उसको ये रेंज दे रखी है, इस लोकेशन में ही घूम सकता है. You know कैटल, वो कैटल्स पे होता है कि लगा देते हैं कि कैटल उस एक एरिया से बाहर ना चला जाए. तो उधर भी हम NFC का टैग लगा सकते हैं. रिजिड है, टूटेगा नहीं इतनी जल्दी. छोटा सा टैग है, बैंड है, टैग है स्मॉल, just put it in the ears and leave it.
So how would the workflow be like? Like once I tap, I'll get the coordinates, right?
Correct.
And then if I leave again, I'll have to tap again, right? To know कि हुआ है मतलब.
I can again I have to design the whole system, architect the whole system. What is the use case what I want to
So
implement?
let's have new location tracking.
Okay.
Okay. So मतलब how will the system look like? Like I tap once, I get the coordinates, right?
Yes, you tap once, the card gets activated.
Correct.
Okay, I hard code it. ये जियो ट्रैकिंग करते रहो.
हाँ.
इतने में ही जियो ट्रैक हो रहा है, तो उसके लिए कुछ तो लाइक स्ट्रीमिंग सर्विस ऑन होनी चाहिए. Kafka, Rabbit, MQ, anything. So the app is just it can hold a link. ये लिंक इसने होल्ड कर ली, वो उसको ऑन द गो करता रहेगा.
So I don't need to tap again, right?
No, you don't.
अच्छा.
You don't. It will go. No, I have to design the whole system in that way then, right? कि स्ट्रीमिंग भी चलती रहे, उसकी डिटेल्स भी आते रहे, बस. And I can close the app if I close the app from the system dashboard.
So basically, once I get this link, I'll kind of poll.
Cool. Correct.
So NFC can send continuously location to the server. There's any type of mechanism. For example, we have a lot of GPS devices. We can SIM into them. The SIM will be the send of continuous location to the server, whatever it may be. The NFC do it.
As such, the NFC directly can't.
Okay. So how if you want to build that NFC tracking, so how you can build that one?
तो अब वही I have to think in that direction a bit more. How we can integrate it.
Okay.
Like even I don't have the correct answer at the moment.
I think NFC's role is just take it as a limited to reading some input from some thing. So QR code is like image, you are extracting text from it.
Okay.
So NFC has some text, you are extracting, and that's it. Now next workflow you have to design how you are going to use that.
Well, my
location
question is, can you put NFC like any location tracking so that can continuously get the data for client? For example, we have like a MQTT protocol.
Yes.
So any other way we can integrate with the NFC? I'm asking. I don't know sure that.
Even I don't know much. Even I have to think in that direction. We can do it. It's not that we can't. There's nothing we
Because
can't.
you have a limit that we should store only 1
Correct.
KB data.
1 KB of data we can store.
So that's
So
why it will be
we have to use it as just a trigger,
Yes.
event triggering mechanism,
Correct.
and with limited data
Other
holding
things we-
capacity.
GPS will handle something like that.
One question, do you know the reason why we cannot share data between two Android smartphones using NFC?
We can.
I don't think it's supported.
Quick share होता है शायद.
Again वही हुआ ना kind of
हाँ
thing.
मतलब I think Neville is developing something.
I think NFC, like through NFC, we cannot share the data.
Do you know of something called as Android Beam?
Yes.
हाँ, so I think they are getting Android Beam back into QuickShare. तो आप वो वैसा सेम चीज कर पाओगे. मतलब it's in the works mostly, at least for Pixels it is. मैंने पढ़ा था नहीं तो.
Everything is developed.
Google these days is copying Apple, so it's going to be there for sure.
Okay.
Yeah. So
If you have Motorola devices, you have this power sharing.
Yeah, exactly.
That uses it.
So it's there, but it's proprietary. It's not there in the Android OS as such. So they're getting it to the OS basically.
yes. Sir.
So earlier you said that latency should be very low. So have you? How are you managing that latency? Is it card related or is it code related?
Sorry, latency.
So earlier you said that latency should be very low.
Like tap करने के लिए
Yes,
ना,
tap
very
करने
near.
के लिए.
Yeah.
So how are you managing that latency? Is it related to code or is it related to card? The card
It
is
is related to the event service which will get triggered in the device.
Okay.
You have the phone with the NFC enabled.
Yes.
So if I just give you the card and I say tap, so I have to bring the, मैं यहाँ से नहीं कर पाऊँगा. I have to bring it very close. जैसे आपका जो बैटरी है ना, उसके पीछे मुझे उसको टैप करना पड़ेगा and I have to wait for a second. So the trigger mechanism works internally in the device.
So my question is, are we managing that or is it device?
Device is managing that.
Okay.
This is just a use case. एक छोटा सा जरिया है. बाकी तो device ही कर रहा है उनके.
So and if we want to increase the latency up to some extent,
No, we can't. No, we can't. RFID में भी in office also ना, you have to tap on that machine. तो उसकी आप latency बढ़ा नहीं सकते हो. So that is like near field communication इसलिए नहीं, you have to come at very near in that field.
So for that purpose, there must be some other stuff.
Like yeah, long thing short, it's like we can't directly increase the latency. We have to bring it very close to the device. इसलिए तो office के ID cards पे ऐसे होते हैं.
There are beacons available in the market which works for that use cases and even for
Location beacon ना.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes sir. Question? Okay. Okay sir. No questions. Yeah.
अभी जैसे आपने बताया कि ब्रॉडकास्ट रहता है इंटरनेट.
हाँ.
अगर मेरे दूसरे एप्लीकेशन में सेम NFC का ब्रॉडकास्ट रखा तो
आपके दूसरे एप्लीकेशन NFC का ब्रॉडकास्ट रहता है.
देयर आर टू एप्लीकेशंस, अगर दोनों में NFC का ब्रॉडकास्ट है.
I'll take an example. एक मेरा ऐप है और एक NFC tools ऐप है आपके पास. If I tap, okay, so you get 3 examples. If it's a link, it will say you want to open the Google Chrome के link, you want to open the NFC app, या you want to open the third app. So it will give you option what you want to open.
You show the chooser.
Just like system OS.
Yeah, you show the chooser.
But if I want कि the moment I tap आपके phone से phone लग जाए मुझे, I don't know how, I don't care, it will show it to you on all. Then I need to get that root access and then $600 and yeah. Yes sir.
If I steal your card, I can rewrite it, right?
Yeah, take it.
But is it possible that you can block who can write it?
Yes I can.
So have you done it or I can
Yeah, I am on the. ये मैंने इसलिए तो उसका बैकअप एग्जांपल दिखाया है. मेन कोड नहीं है. I am working on that aspect. It's like again a backend system which will work. I get the UID. I block the UID. You can't write on it. It's a useless card for you now. You just have to throw it off. Security premises on लोगों में लगा सकता है इसको. You can add it. If I say you use my app, I give you a user ID. Firebase का authentication के साथ. So then only you can do it. And then उधर मैं AES का encryption, 2 चीजें और. Then only you and you. Like that. Okay. Awesome. So any other question?
I had one question, one doubt I never tried. So like we used to use expired credit cards for NFC, testing NFC. And like you can get content of the card, text content of the credit card, whatever it's encrypted.
Encrypted.
If I get it and write into your card, for example, then
No use. It won't work.
but if I type it on the machine, it will read the same content, right? Encrypted content as it is.
क्योंकि POS machine is given the authorization कि you can authorize, you can cut the money क्योंकि server पे जाते थे.
Right.
Whole system. Card मेरे इसमें तो थोड़ा है वो integration.
So I already read your card,
Yeah.
read someone's card,
and you just put
copied
it
the
in my
text
card.
content and
Correct.
put it in your card.
It
Now
won't.
I am carrying your card on tap machine.
No, it won't work.
It should read that content,
It
right?
should read that content, but it won't क्योंकि वो encrypted था ना. It is for that machine will say this is not a card. कि issuer का number वो 4 चीजें होता है और आपके क्या खाली एक encrypted text में था.
Text, yes.
जो
Encrypted text.
human readable भी नहीं है.
Right, but
तो
machine reads it, right?
मशीन नीडेड बिकॉज वो उसके अंदर बैकएंड सिस्टम होता है जो इशूअर होता है ना मास्टर कार्ड वीजा
Right,
ऑल दिस
right,
थिंग
right.
तो वो उनका बैकएंड सिस्टम होता है कि ओके दिस इज अ एक्टिव कार्ड यू कैन गो फ्लैग ऑन फ्लैग ऑफ काइंड ऑफ थिंग
But it will, since I copied active card already,
ओके
active cards encrypted information as it is, so it is a text copy.
हाँ.
Now some machine has nothing to do with which hardware it is scanning, like it's getting the same content.
इट विल चेक
Okay.
इट्स अ डिफरेंट अब इंटरनल उसका अलग चलता है दिस इज अ NFC tag 215
Yeah.
the one they use is a different one
Okay, so like they have some locking mechanism.
लॉकिंग मैकेनिज्म चलता है कार्ड्स के भी अलग अलग वेरिएंट्स होते हैं नॉट अ नॉर्मल वन 215 का अलग होता है बैंड में अलग वेरिएंट जाता है NFC का जो बैंक्स को देता है वो एक क्या बोलते हैं स्पेशलाइज्ड होता है
Okay.
NFC tag का वो वी कांट बाय
So just content is not the
key
key to go.
the hardware
going.
also goes into the picture
Okay, very interesting.
The
That is quite interesting.
Yeah.
We have to do it.
Yeah, that's why I thought I never tried because
It
police
will
might,
get flagged out. Yeah.
cyber police might come.
They will come. He wants a trail, right? Okay, I believe that it was awesome and it's good networking. Hope you liked it. Okay. Any other questions? No? Okay, thank you so much.